I'm Viktor Jörgens. I'm a medical doctor, and I was the exec director of the European Association for the Study of Diabetes for 28 years. And I'm so happy to see that my baby is doing so well. I'm retired now since 4 years. And I was asked to talk about the findings which are the most important actually in this meeting. For me, the most amazing work actually is that we are in times now of the end of type 2 diabetes. Type 2 diabetes was classified many years ago when type 1 was identified to be a disease having to do with immunology. And type 2 was all the diabetics without this pathogenesis. And now, particularly in Sweden, scientists of the group of Leif Grob looked at different clinical data at the diagnosis, the time of diagnosis of diabetes, and were able to find different clusters, different groups of people with different clinical exams, and this is the most striking, these different clusters have different incidence of complications. They have different incidence of neuropathy, different incidence of retinopathy, and others don't have that. This will be the way to the Nobel Prize to find one day the pathogenesis of different forms of type 2 diabetes. And it will have major implications concerning treatment as well. And what is even more striking, I was told by Leif Grob, who heads this research, that they start now to look into the genetic and clinical samples from all countries in the world. And it looks as if the people in Asia have different frequencies of these subgroups. It looks as if the insulin deficient cluster is more frequent in Asia, and this will lead to a lot of research to classify people in all countries in the world and hopefully find new ways to have a more focused treatment. The days to have guidelines to treat type 2 diabetes without any individual data will be finished. We will have individualized treatments, and hopefully based upon these research results, one day we will be able to find the pathogenesis of these forms. We are living actually in great times for diabetes research because very interesting findings are nearby.